A professional product ad campaign costs between $2,000 and $10,000 when you hire an agency. A cinematic commercial, a UGC ad with an AI spokesperson and a poster. I made all three of these in under 15 minutes, using one product photo and one AI tool called Flova.
Is your skin feeling super dry and showing tiny fine lines lately? I've been there, but I finally found a fix, and it's not a heavy cream. This is Glow AI Serum. It uses a unique silk water matrix that literally sinks right into your skin for instant hydration. I've been using it for 7 days and my fine lines are practically gone. Just look at this glow.
No camera, no editor, no agency. Let me show you exactly how. Flova is not just another AI video generator. It's a conversational AI agent. That means instead of filling in settings and clicking in menus, you just chat with it like a creative director. And it builds everything through conversation. And what makes it so powerful, it combines 3 of the best AI models in one place. GPT Image 2 for visuals and text layouts, Seedance 2.0 for cinematic video with real camera motion and VFX, and OmniHuman 1.5 for UGC ads with AI avatars and lip sync. So instead of paying for 3 separate tools, you get everything here in one workflow. Before we build the full ad campaign, I need a product image, and I'm going to do this inside Flova itself. So I'm gonna type in a prompt like this: no storyboard, just create a single image, a premium face serum called Glow AI, minimalist white bottle, clean studio lighting and white background. And then I just click on generate. Flova had generated a professional product photo in just under a minute. And this is my starting point. And I never had to leave the tool. So now I can click here on download. So I can use it in my next step to generate my ads. So let's go back here. I want to go to projects, create a new project. I can give it a name, Glow AI Serum Ads. I can upload my product image here. And here is the first thing I want to show you. Instead of just telling Flova what to do, I ask it to brainstorm with me. I say I want to create an e-commerce marketing assets for my skincare. I want to create e-commerce marketing assets for my skincare brand Glow AI. What ad formats and style would work best for a premium face serum targeting women 25 to 40? Flova comes back with options and suggestions. This is the unique selling point number 1 that makes it different from any other AI video generator tool. Flova acts as your creative team. When you run out of ideas and don't know where to start, you just ask it and it figures out the direction for you. I want to have both formats, the cinematic commercial video and the UGC style talking head. Now I click models and I can select what models do I want to use for what video. I say this for the commercial video ad. And then I want to select the OmniHuman 1.5. This is for my UGC ad. And then I click send. And it asks me which one to create first. I will pick that one. Click next. I want to have the vertical format. How many seconds? Well, let's pick 30 seconds. Click send. Here I want to put out that Flova has already planned the entire storyboard before I touched a single second. It broke everything down into shots, structured the narrative, and organized the production pipeline automatically. I'm not directing this, Flova is. I'm just approving the plan and picking up the keys. So I pick this option. What should it do next? Click send. If you didn't use this brainstorming prompt at the beginning, you could just paste in this prompt here. I have a skincare product called Glow AI, premium face serum. Using this product photo, create a full set of marketing assets. First, a 30-second video, a cinematic commercial, then a UGC style ad with an avatar holding and talking about the product. And then you can also just add your product image. And yeah, here you could then specify your models, right, as I did. This for the commercial video, and OmniHuman you would select for the UGC ad, and then click send, and then you would generate also the storyboard and the same thing, and it would land up here. And now I am asked, are you happy with the reference images? And now I have the storyboard, right? This is where your video ads is broken down into different shots and sections. So we have here, this is the hero shot, and you can edit anything. So this is the prompt basically that generated this. And you can add a new element if you click on here and add one. You could change the shot description. If you don't like that, you could say soft morning light, but you could also say soft evening light. you have control over every element that goes into the video. So here we have basically, this is the different shots, how it starts. It starts with this and then transitions to this. You can change the shot if you want to and edit it here. And here the call to action, the narration. You can change the music here that will be generated. And here even the text of the voiceover. Now this is the commercial ad, right? This is the one we create first. So here you also have these options. So do you want to generate the videos already, adjust the product images, adjust the vanity environment, or adjust the silk water texture? Now, instead of manually adjusting each shot, you can also just tell it what to do, right? So what I want to do is redesign this as a high converting e-commerce ad using the AIDA formula. That's like a copywriting and marketing and advertising formula: attention, interest, desire, and action. Make the visuals dramatic and cinematic like these popular brands. Add these benefits to it and basically redo this ad and the storyboard a little bit so it matches the formula and structure I want to have for my ad. And now Flova rewrites every shot description and the entire voiceover in one go. And this is the power of having an AI agent rather than just a simple generator tool. So you give it a creative direction in plain language and it handles the execution for you. Ready to generate the shot videos with seed dance? Yes. While this is running, I want to mention something that is a really powerful feature of Flova. They support multiple starting points. So we started from an image, right? I added this product image, but you can also just start from a video like text or an audio like music. So if you had a video clip already, you could upload that as a starting point instead. Or if you have no assets at all, you can just start with a text and describe the concept in one sentence, and Flova builds everything from scratch. The videos for my shots are done. Now, if I wanted to generate a different version of one of these videos, like shot 1, let's say I want to have a different type of woman and a different video, then I could either send one of these options, or I will just type in the specifics, regenerate shot 1, close-up of a red-haired woman looking in the mirror, touching her cheek, and I would send this. One shot regenerated without touching anything else. I can also drag and drop shots between different slots in the interface. This is the level of control that Flova gives you. You can revise the plot, swap the shots, adjust the timeline at any point during the creation. You are never locked into your first output. Now for the UGC ad, I switch to the model called OmniHuman 1.5. I just say create the UGC ad. OmniHuman 1.5, this is the model that generates an AI spokesperson with proper lip sync, holding and talking about the product on camera. Now I get to choose what my avatar should look like. I want to pick this one and then click send. Now it gave me my storyboard with all the different scenes and elements of it, and also the audio and narration script. All I have to do is I can read through the script, and then if I wanted to, I could update it. I say confirmed, continue. Now let's preview the avatar images it made me and all the scenes. I can see the script, the narration. And if I like it, I can, and if you want to edit anything, as I shown you before, you can just regenerate things, right? You can just tell it, change this or that about this avatar. Maybe you want a woman with a different hair, or you want a man, I don't know, right? You can adjust it whatever you want. And now I want to just click on looks great and then click send. Now it has made me those UGC scenes. And now here on the left side, I can check if it's really correct, right? So I would click on few of these. This is the storyboard of this UGC ad. So I click it and then I can watch that. Now what I see is that the bottle isn't the correct one. It's not the same product, right? So that's why it would need to redo all these UGC shots, because even here, you see now it has a green bottle. So, right? So I need to say, why didn't you use the exact product image in the UGC video? She holds a different product in each. So you would need to redo all the shots and try to get her hold the exact product. Now here again I have my story. Now I have this product properly displayed. I could go through the storyboard, but I like it. I say, okay, looks good, continue. Now our UGC ad is done. Now one quick note about the model we chose, because it's been a while since we used it. Now this is the AI model that Flova used to generate this, right? That's a spokesperson with proper lip sync, holding and talking about your product on camera. Now brands pay freelancers $200 to $500 per video for this exact format. You can now generate this in minutes. And this is the part where the freelance angle gets interesting. If you wanted to, you could offer this as a service to e-commerce brands and charge $300 per video like this. Now, Flova handles the production and you handle the client. One more thing I want to show you that most AI video tools do not have. You see here, Flova has a built-in timeline editor that you normally only know from video editing tools, right? So here I can see all my shots laid out and organized, including the audio narration, the background music, right? The video clips. I can drag and trim them if I wanted to, make them longer, make them shorter. I can adjust the timing between different shots. I could switch them around and reorder them. And when everything looks good, I can click on export the final video as a PR file. This is basically if you want to do any final polishing in the video editing like Premiere Pro, you could import it directly. And this is what separates Flova from poor video generation tools. It's not just a generator, it's just full production environment from the first prompt to the final export. And I want to now export it. I have the video.
Is your skin feeling super dry and showing tiny fine lines lately? I've been there, but I finally found the fix, and it's not a heavy cream. This is Glow AI Serum. It uses a unique silk water matrix that literally sinks right into your skin for instant hydration. I've been using it for 7 days, and my fine lines are practically gone.
Oh, one thing I forgot to mention, now we have just downloaded the UGC ad, right? So I also want to have the ad from earlier. So what I need to do, I need to tell it, now assemble the e-commerce ad from earlier so I can export that. Now I can export it. So export video, and there we have the other video.
Is your skin telling you it's time for a change? Dry patches, fine lines, and that dull, tired look, your skin deserves better. Introducing Glow AI Serum, powered by a breakthrough silk water matrix. It absorbs instantly, delivering deep hydration exactly where your skin needs it most. In just 7...
So now you notice the timeline that the audio was cut off, right? So let's see.
Visibly fade. Is your skin telling you it's time for a change?
So I could make it longer. So let's see how long the audio track is. Right, so it's 35 seconds long. I can edit it.
Tap the link below and start your Glow.
Now I can say, okay, let's add this here. Let's make this as large possible. This as well. Right, I want to add this back in here. Also make this larger. So this is as large as it can get. Now I can add other videos if I wanted to, right? So I could add this also in here. Make the background music longer. Then drag it in here again and then... Okay, good. And now I have the entire...
To experience the difference, tap the link below and start your Glow AI
clip, and then I would export it again. Now that my full workflow is done, I'm going to type this, save our entire process into a skill. And this is not just saving model preferences like the video models we have selected, right? If you remember, we used Seedance 2.0 for the e-commerce video. We used OmniHuman 1.5 for the UGC video. It stores the complete creative workflow, the storyboard logic, the visual guidelines, right? The brand rules, the production order, everything. So next time I or anyone else wants to make a product ad, Flova just loads that skill and already knows how to plan the storyboard, which shots to create, what style to follow, and how to structure the whole campaign. So one prompt and one click, and you have a professional creative director's entire process ready to go. I can also load skills by clicking here that professional creators have already built or that I have already built. And then one click and you get years of their expertise applied to your project instantly. Now I see the skill is ready. So let's click on it. And then I see this is in the skills. I click on save my skill. Well, how would I call it? Right, I would call it product video ads. Here you can add a description if you wanted to. I don't really need that right now. And then it's saved. The skill is saved. Now if I go back to Flova, to the dashboard, then I see skills. And here's the skills I just created. And you see it contains the entire process, all the phases we went through, how it should create the videos, the images, the voiceovers, the ads, the structure of the storyline, the voiceover tone, the audio layers, the background music, the visual style. Everything is saved in there, right? So we don't have to reprompt and change and modify it all again. So this saves you lots of credits, but also lots of time. Because how you would use the skill in a new project is really, very simple, right? You just go to project, create a new one. And then here you could select the skill, or since the skill has already been switched on, Flova will just pick the skill you want, that thinks would work the best for you, but I could also pre-select it here. A pro tip that Flova specifically recommends is before building a full video campaign, use a standalone mode first. I just do that by creating a new project, and here I attach the product image I have created. Then I just put in a prompt, no storyboard, just create a single image, a premium beauty poster for Glow AI face serum, dark cinematic background, product centered, golden light, elegant typography with the tagline, your daily drop of brilliance. Then I send it. One prompt, one polished poster. The idea is to use the standalone mode to perfect your product visual first through the conversation. And then you build the full video campaign here around it. This saves you time and credits on the full production. Let me just download it here. I can also click on export all files. So here is what we've built today from one product image inside Flova. A cinematic 30-second commercial, a UGC ad with an AI spokesperson,
Is your skin feeling super dry and
and a professional product poster. So a complete ad campaign. Think about how much you'd normally pay for this. You need a video editor subscription, an image generation tool, a UGC platform, an AI writing tool for the script. But Flova replaces all of that. Elite models, a creative team, an editing suite in one place. That is the value. Flova is in the global launch phase right now, which means the price is significantly lower than it will be. Use the link in the description below to sign up and you get 200 free credits instantly, plus 200 more every week you log in. If this was useful, click the like button, hit subscribe and the notification bell, because I cover new AI tools that actually save you time and money every week.